Welcome to Park Library. Today we're going to teach you how to use the movable stacks. Once you've found your book and figured out where your book is located, and you realize it is between two stacks, you can move them using the control pad. When you see that it says ready for use, you can use either the left or right arrows that say move. Then you can simply hit the green move button and it will move your stack for you. A stack that does not have any control pad on it is called a stationary stack, which means it cannot be moved. When the control pad says aisle in use and has a red button right up on the reset pad, it means that either someone is in the aisle that you would like to go in or that the aisle needs to be reset. If you have realized that no one is inside of the stack, but it still says aisle in use, there are two things that you can do to reset the stack. First, you can hit the reset button that has a red light on it. If you notice that the aisle still says aisle in use, the second thing that you can do is try to swipe your hand in front of the motion sensor lasers located here. Swiping your hand across should leave you with the message ready for use, and you will then be able to move your stack. The second type of problem that you can encounter when trying to move a stack is a flashing red light that says check aisle. The first thing you can do is again try pushing the blinking reset button. If this doesn't work, you can once again try to swipe your hand in front of the motion sensors to reset the stack. Another type of problem that you might encounter with the stacks is if you need to get in between these two shelves, but when you go to move it, it won't move. If you encounter this problem, you need to look at all of the stacks in between the two sets of stationary stacks. If you find any of these that have a red light on them, you need to reset in between the stacks that have the two red lights. You can either do this by pushing the reset button or by swiping your hand in between the two stacks. Another great thing about the movable stacks is that you can move more than one set of stacks at once. If you want to move all three of these stacks, you simply need to push the move button on the farthest stack you wish to move.